Hey, this is Martin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to optimize your website forms with Team-GPT. Team-GPT, I've created a project called Website Form Optimization Agent. I've included a very detailed instructions specifying the role and expertise, the core objective, required data so it can provide you good output that we will need to give if you want really good results. The methodology, guidelines, response structure. Now, how I've created this is based on my expertise as a marketer, my knowledge, and a slightly detailed prompt. I've gone ahead, pasted it here, and I've enhanced it with our enhancer tool. I've also attached our dummy brand's target audience profile, as well as a very comprehensive deep research on optimizing website form completion rates. What I'm going to do is I've created a dummy form and I'm going to attach a screenshot of it right here. As you can see, it's a very bulky form. It definitely needs some optimization. I'm also going to provide just a bit of KPIs, some conversions, like very top level KPIs, but I highly advise you for a real example that you can provide it as much as possible so you can get the best results. And we execute. What we get now is a very detailed analysis of what we can improve in our form and what we can A/B test as well. As we can see, a lot of critical friction points, as I expected. Like the multicolumn layout is very bulky, it has cognitive overload, etc, and we can start analyzing this and going through it so we can optimize our form. We also started supporting Mermaid charts, so this is still experimental, but please try it and let me know how it works. I've asked it to provide me with a Mermaid ROI projection funnel based on the implementation. And there you go, it provided me very detailed and very easy to present to my team and how we should implement the provided AI recommendations. So thank you again. Please let me know how it works for you and how we can improve this playbook. And see you in the next one.